Well, hey everyone, welcome to Love to Create by Tanya. Well, today is Thrifty Thursday and I've got two charming DIYs for you. The first one is going to be a farmhouse style fall harvest wall art. The item that I'm repurposing in this one is these 5 little wood blocks that I found at the Restore. Now these supplies will be listed for you in the description below. And the little wood blocks that I found, you could still use some of the little wood plaques from Dollar Tree and get a similar look. Now Walmart does still have a lot of their fall little florals out, so if you would like to get some of those, it would be a good time to go. Now here are the little wood blocks that I had picked up, and I'm actually gonna take the small ones and flip them over and use the back side. Now the first thing I'm gonna do, I got a new stain to try. It's that Minwax Ebony stain, and it's really dark and rich, almost has like a black tone to it, and I like it really well. And I did just cover the little tumbler blocks with that and the 1x2. And now the little wood blocks, I'm just going to do those with the white chalk paint you see, and then just take the marker and go around the edges to darken those up. Now I'm just going to use that little sawtooth hook on the back of this 1x2. Now I'm just going to take the little wood blocks and kind of stagger them down throughout the little thin board. Now I am going to use the wood glue and some of the hot glue to glue these on. This design would be great if you have just a narrow wall to put something on, and I actually do. And I'm going to decorate this where I don't glue in the actual greenery and flowers because I want to be able to change that out. Now I am just hot gluing on these little tumbling blocks. I'm just trying to build a tiny little pocket where I can tuck my florals and greenery down into. And I designed this so you could keep it up all year, and we're going to put thankful and blessed on the larger little blocks. But you can see that gives just enough room. If you cut off your flowers kind of short, you'll be able to just tuck those down in there. Now these berries and the greenery, I did purchase those at Walmart. And that is like the boxwood, and these are just the little berries. Now I do end up taking some of my burlap and tucking that down in behind here, and I just like the way that looked for fall. And of course I'm going to use these sticker letters that I purchased from Walmart. I really like these. They are a little difficult to place on there, so make sure you get them in the right spot, which I did not the first time, so I had to go back and rework them. See, you can do like I did. I just took a black magic marker where the tip of that one tore off. Now I will be putting some Mod Podge, a matte finish over top of the wording, just so it stays down easier. These little sticker letters, they will lift up on the edges. Now we're going to go ahead and apply that Mod Podge. Now here's where I decided to go ahead and put that burlap in there. And you could fill these little pockets just with greenery. You could use just the flowers by themselves. I mean, you have several different options. But of course I wanted to make this have that fall harvest feel, so I just kind of tucked a little greenery, berries, and I even add a few of my leftover little cream flowers that I had in my craft box. You'll have to let me know in the comments below what you think of this design. I was really happy with how it turned out. Now I'm just going to do a simple little bow and glue it right on top of each one of those little pockets. And there we go. Okay, our second DIY is more of a Christmas winter theme, and this one is a wall mirror that I had found at the thrift store. And I'm going to take this birch scrapbooking paper and just place that right on top of that mirror. I just glue it on with a glue stick. And I actually just spray painted this whole mirror with some black paint. Now I'm just going to add little bits of that white chalk paint to just give it more of an aged look. Now I found these other sticker letters at Walmart also, and they have more of like a felt feel to them, and they're a lot easier to work with. And I'm just going to do winter blessings on this one. Now while I was in Michael's the other day, I found these really cute little snowflakes, and they were right up front there in those little bins they have in the little dollar area. And I thought, how cute are these? So definitely want to go back and get some more of those. And I'm just going to glue a few of these right on that birch paper, and then I'm going to put a few of them right around the outside edges there on the frame. I really like how this one's turning out also. You'll have to let me know what you think in the comments below. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take some more of that little jute twine, and I'm just going to make another simple little bow and put up there at the top, and then I'm going to add some sprigs of greenery and where did I get that? The Hobby Lobby. I picked that other greenery up at Hobby Lobby, and it's got the little pine cones and kind of like a frosted look on it. Well, everyone, I hoped you enjoyed Thrifty Thursday and these two DIYs. You'll have to let me know which one's your favorite. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. That really helps YouTube notice my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to do so. And if you are a subscriber, I thank you for your support. And The next DIY that we're going to be doing will be Festive Friday. I may throw a surprise video in there of some fall decor. I still have a few things that I was going to try to make, and I'm not sure when I'll get those up. But anyway, we're about to the end, so I'll say goodbye, and I will see you next time.